She likes it. Look. Makee. I'm going to try something new, and it's probably going to be crazy. People are going to come on here and tell me I'm doing it wrong. And if I am, I would like advice, direction, whatever. But first, here's baby. This is, well, her name has changed, but I named her Tuxedo. But now my daughter, who is her mother, named her Makee. So I guess this is Makee now. Oh, mommy. Okay. I have all this fish, and I need to make cat food. Outside of all this fish, I have so much baby food. Soraya is 14 months. She's not eating this. I mean, she does sometimes, but not the vegetable ones. I have to mix it. But I have so much I want to share with Makee here. And I also have, get down, cereal. So I read rice or rice bran, which this is just rice flour. I don't know. So I know it's cooked, has iron and calcium, potassium, vitamin C, E, niacin, B6. I just want to try to offer her something different than the canned stuff, and experiment. Why are you? Okay, so bear with me. We're going to start by separating our ingredients. Okay, last one. That would have been like really boring. Just standing there, sitting there watching me open packs of fish. There we go. Okay, let me show you. There's our fish. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway. Now. We're gonna cook this. So yeah. I figure boiling is sufficient, right? Okay, let's turn it on. Okay. So I thought I could take advantage of these, which if they're for babies and they're gonna have just the carrots in it. Make sure. Yeah, carrots and water. Let's see, can we see that? Boop. Carrots and water. So that means it should be fine. So we're gonna go ahead and get these prepared. Okay, she has some butternut squash in there. She's eating solids, so yeah. Let's add that. Looks like a tiny bit of olive oil. I'm not sure. Olive oil is a little healthier, so yeah. Bad choice. If you clearly, I don't totally know what I'm doing. Did a little research, but I know for sure no salt or anything should be added. You know, amongst a few other things. But if you have proper knowledge, I'm just trying this real quick. I'm not trying to be no cat food expert, but please, by all means, express and educate for the masses in the comments or whatever. It will be greatly appreciated. And there we are. Okay, I'm gonna set these aside. So anyway, I was on Google and making sure the rice was okay, which it was, but not too much. So this is a little bit, oh, about a cup and a half. Okay, so I'm gonna take out half of that and add in half of this, because fiber, work with me, people. Okay, that works. So the fish is cooked. We're gonna drain all this ick off. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Smash it up a little bit. I'm gonna try to get this recipe down. Makee, okay, hold on. She's really anxious. So let me, while we wait. So I had some cat treats. I'm gonna add a little handful of cat treats to that. Let's get all this up in here. Let's put the egg. Okay, let's add the sweet potato, the carrots, the squash. Mix that up real quick. That should cool it down, so I'm gonna use my hands. It's right between my feet. Okay. I'm gonna use my hands because I like using my hands. This is gonna be messy on my hands. I don't know why. She doesn't like it. Okay, now we got our containers ready. Just, you know, maybe we should let her try it. Makee, okay, you're gonna trust Granny. You're gonna trust Granny here. Give it. She's eating it. Okay, let me show y'all how. Wait a minute, Makee. Makee, come here, my love. Do you want to try? You like it, Granny? Oh, she likes it. I hope it's good for her. Oh, child, Lord Jesus. Okay, now. Oh, she really likes it. Whoa. What? I'm gonna give her some. Yes, her some in her little cat bowl. Granny. She likes it. Oh my gosh. Eat, mama. Yeah, she got a residual tuna in her bowl. So yeah, that's from last night. She likes it. Look, Makee. Okay, I'm gonna finish filling these up. Okay, so we ended up with 4 of these 1 1/4 ounce containers. That's 5 cups, which isn't bad. So 2 I'll put in the fridge, 2 I'll put in the freezer. I feel like good grandma. So, if you got any advice, education, critique, if you want to curse me out, we are all allowed that. So, otherwise, let me know what you think.